built this bike. Crank, bearings, transmission bearings, piston, everything. New plastics, new graphics. Pretty sure you guys seen in the beginning of this video. She looks pretty sick. Freaking runs so good though. This is literally my first ride actually getting on it. You know what I mean? I rode it up and down the street at my house a few times. You know, it was never the same as being out here. You know what I mean? She's pretty snappy. Baby was in getting worked on, and I was just, you know, taking my time doing little things here and there. New clutch cable, new throttle cable, new pegs. Drop a comment if you want me to do a walk around video. I know you guys have been asking forever for a walk around video, but drop a comment if you want. If you really want one this time. So let's get after it. It's been so long since I've been out here. You have to bear with me. So that brakes are even. Whoa! Brakes are freaking not even there right now. I don't know what. Jesus. Gotta take it easy, man. Gotta take it easy. Wow. Dude, it's already like 85 right now. Ooh. It's barely 8:30. It's gonna be a hot one. It's even a Sunday, dude. Could you believe it? For those that know me, I never ever ride on a Sunday. She's just done, you know what I mean? She's done, and I gotta get out there, get her broken in proper before we head out to the forest. That's what I really want to go. I want to get some forest vibes, man. It's the best vibes. Yeah, it's pretty much that's all we're doing out here. Oh, we're having a blast though. If everything goes good, we'll put some miles in. Oh yeah, we got new radiator hoses too, so just want to make sure we ain't got no leakage. We painted the frame too, but it's already done. It don't last long. She's looking good, dude. Let's go. Ooh, coming in hot. Change it up. Went back to a blue fender. You know what I mean? From black. Dude, look at that. My brakes. It ain't one thing, it's another thing. Now we got a freaking brake problem. I don't know what the deal is. Brand new pads. It's probably been sitting so long. I even even bled the brakes too. I remember before I did all this work. Oh yeah. Tractor ability is still there. Oh yeah, it feels so good, dude. It's been a minute since I've been out here. Just twist and grip has been a while, man. Woo-wee! Let's go! Oh, there's the neutral. We got a light foot or something, dude. We always getting in that neutral. My nose is running because it's hot. I have some Sniffle McGee's today. You know, back in business. Running 9 PSI in the back on the M5E. Whoa, come on, man. Slow it down. You gotta pick your line, dude. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. We out here. Peace.